a cute white top. Let me introduce myself. My name is Shalu and welcome to my channel. In this channel you will see DIY and dressmaking videos. So let's start our today's video. For this cute top, I am using this white fabric. For lining, I am using this white fabric. These are my patterns which I will be using to make this top. Okay, let's start our video. make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this video. Show some love. Take care. Bye bye. I will love to see your suggestion. Please comment if you like my video. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Thanks for. अरे जाओ यार. Bye bye.